I was just fed up with like not knowing how to proceed and find a better way to become healthy.
My health and well-being improved in a number of areas.
I knew I wasn't doing well with how I was eating and drinking.
My health and well-being particularly changed after being a part of the Body Wisdom. Had a huge improvement with my menstruation and how much pain I was in either before or during. So that was a big change for me, where I was able to manage that without the use of ibuprofen and acetaminophen.
I was able to change my diet to a point where I felt satiated. So I wasn't overeating. I was eating the proper things at the proper time. Because I was satisfying my imbalance in my blood sugar, I was not craving the sweetness from alcohol. I wasn't finding that tiredness at 5 o'clock and thinking, oh, I'm going to relax now and, have a glass of wine, which would often lead to then eating chips and doing things like that.
I was not participating to lose weight, but I ended up losing 20 pounds and that has remained off. I completed the program back in April of 2024 and it's December. So that's a big accomplishment.
Another one that I really noticed was the brain fog. So brain fog, just energy, overall, mood swings, those things really went away. I was able to manage those ulcers and get off my ulcer medication. That was a really, really exciting spot for me to be in. And throughout that whole process, slowly I started losing weight, which wasn't the goal of the course, but was a really happy added bonus.
The other thing was that I did start to sleep better with getting my hormones more under control. I found with the change in diet, as I was trimming down and losing that belly fat, I had more energy. I felt more empowered. I was feeling better in my clothes. I was also exercising and walking, as Dr. Patricia had so carefully guided us through some really great practices, really key to help me feel much more energy, and I had a good reset, keeping track of what I'm eating, how I'm feeling, how I'm sleeping. And that's just been really powerful, knowing I have those resources available to me.
My sleeping improved significantly through this program, and my symptoms, my gut health improved significantly. And that led to a lot of different smaller things improving that I didn't actually think were problems. But yes, so it cleared up many, many aspects of my health.
Throughout 4 months, I lost 30 pounds, and then I continued using the tools that I was given with Dr. Patricia afterwards, and was able to lose another 20 pounds. And that was a huge thing for me. Inflammation and the stress on my joints and energy that I had afterwards was really exciting for me.
Keeping track of the rest of the group and hearing some of the other stories, and even the chat that we had that we could access and ask questions, that was also valuable. We don't often get that in other programs. Most of our group said that they felt so much better going through it, and it changed us.